Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Now Dolly Khanna has yesterday bought 1,04,250 shares of a small cap oil exploration company at rupees 244.03 via bulk deal on the National Stock Exchange. Now this is a stock where she had made a new entry in the June quarter, and her adding on to her positions indicates her super bullish nature on this stock. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Ceylon Exploration Technology Limited, which is available at rupees 263.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SELAN. Now Ceylon Exploration Technology Limited is engaged in the business of exploration and production of oil and natural gas. The company's principal business activities include extraction of crude oil and natural gas. Now the 1-year chart revealed that this company was choppy throughout the year, but of late over the last few days after reporting very strong quarterly results and after the news of Dolly Khanna's entry has come out, the stock has really zoomed in value. The company has posted 91% jump in its Q1 FY19 net profit at rupees 14.3 crores against rupees 7.5 crores in Q4 FY18. The revenue also rose 15.5% at rupees 26.9 crores against rupees 23.3 crores. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 432.63 crores. The EPS of 20.07 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 13.14, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 12.17. The company is also available at a decent price to book ratio of 1.47. The debt to equity here is 0.0012, whereas the return on equity for this stock is 0.0765. The promoter holding, however, is a bit disappointing and stands at 27.89. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.